Hello, techies. Alright, this is CompTIA 8.1.6 lab, and we are going to create virtual havoc. So all of the tasks that we are going to perform in this particular lab are highlighted here on the left pane. And let's get into the details of this particular um, tasks that we are going to be doing in this lab. So you have installed Hyper-V on IT admin. You want to create two new virtual machines on which will later install Windows 11. These new VMs will be used for testing. So in this lab, your task is to create a new virtual machine named VM1 using the following parameters. Virtual machine name is VM1. Virtual machine location is Hyper-V, and generation is generation 1. Startup memory is going to be 1 gigabyte, which is 1024. Do not use dynamic memory, okay? So networking connection is going to be external. Virtual hard disk name is going to be VM1, and virtual hard disk location is going to be Hyper-V / virtual hard disk, and virtual hard disk size is going to be 50 gigabytes. Operating system will be installed later. So we are going to create a new virtual machine named VM2 using the following parameters. Virtual machine name is going to be VM2, and virtual machine location is going to be the Hyper-V. Okay. All right, the Hyper-V, and um, generation is going to be generation 1. Startup memory is going to be 2 gigabytes, which is 2048. Do not use dynamic memory. Okay, we'll keep that in mind. Networking connection is going to be internal. Virtual hard disk name is going to be VM2. Virtual hard disk location is going to be Hyper-V / virtual hard disk. Virtual hard disk size is going to be 250 gig. Operating system will be installed later. So we're going to configure the minimum and maximum RAM values for VM2. Minimum RAM is going to be 512. Maximum RAM is going to be 4 gigabytes, which is 1496. So to create a new virtual hard disk, start Hyper-V manager, right click, admin, then select a new then virtual machine, and configure the RAM, click on virtual machine, then select settings. Alright, I think we got as much information as required for this particular lab, so I guess we just go ahead and start up lab in the absence of any other thing. So let's start up with the first task here, which is create a new virtual machine. Create a new virtual. So we open up start menu, and here we are going to search for Hyper-V. Okay, there is it. So we just open this up, and let's maximize this, and this is IT admin, and let's see, VM1. Okay, so we'll go here, virtual machine, go to new. We're going to create a new virtual machine named VM1. Let's go to next, and the name given to us here is VM1, so we're going to type in here VM1. And then we are going to let's click on next. Let's click next. and startup memory is going to be 1024 MB. So this is going to be next, and connection is going to be external. So we're doing everything according to the instruction from the task. So virtual hard disk name is going to be VM1.VHDX. Okay, so we go to next. So yeah, this is correct. So what else? Virtual hard disk location is going to be D drive hyper-v/virtual hard disk. Okay, so let's go over here, the location here, and the size here is going to be 50 gigabyte. Um, okay, next, let's go ahead and click next, and we'll finish. Okay, so that is done. We'll go to the next task here. Let's go down. Create a new virtual hard disk named VM2 using the following parameters. Alright, so let's start up. We'll go over here. We'll click on new virtual machines. We'll click on next. And VM2, and what else? Virtual machine name. Click on next. Okay, generation is going to be generation 1, so that is correct. So click on next. And the size of the RAM is going to be 2048, which is 2 gig, equivalent to 2 gigabyte. And click on next. Is this connected? This is gonna be internal. We click next. VM2 VM2.VHDS is correct. The location also is correct. What is the size of the hard drive? It's gonna be 250 gigabytes. Okay. So the size of this is going to be 250 gig. No, we need to change this hard drive first. So this is going to be 250 gigabyte. Okay, so we forgot this is supposed to be dynamic, and we made a mistake there, but we've corrected it. So the size of the hard disk now 250 gigabyte. This is next, and we'll finish. So this is VM2 is created already. So we'll go to settings. So from the setting we select memory, and for the memory we want to, so this is gonna be maximum memory. Maximum RAM is 512. Minimum RAM is 512, and maximum given to us is 4 gigabytes, which is 4096, which is the equivalent of 4 gigabytes. So click OK. Alright. So let's see what other tags we have. To create a new virtual machine start, we have to right click and menu. Okay. Alright, so I guess we've done all of the tasks that is required of us in this lab. So I guess let's see, let's just confirm that everything is fine. Okay, this is good. Is there anything that we missed here? Let's see. Okay, so we'll go ahead and see how we do. Let's call lab, and that is it 100%. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Use the comment section to reach out to me if you have any question, or make use of the WhatsApp number attached to this video. Remember to share this video among your colleagues and friends and other students in other educational platforms so that they can benefit also. Alright, so that is it, folks. I'm gonna see you in my next video. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit. Peace.